This video is the first in a series of videos that will describe how information about COVID-19 is being made available. The first is the CDC website. This is one of the most reliable sources available and is updated every day. The coronavirus fact sheet is a comprehensive list of information that you need to know about COVID-19 to protect yourself and others. If you think you have symptoms, there is also a self-checker, which is a survey that you can take to find out if you should visit a healthcare provider. In addition, there is also a page that provides the statistics for cases in the United States, and this page is updated every day. It also has statistics by state and territory, demographics, and more. The second resource is the Johns Hopkins Map. This map shows COVID-19 statistics by city, county, and state for the United States. There is also a world map, which shows data from all over the world. And this is the world map. An important resource that is not often talked about is the Critical Trends Data tab. This has information about trends and increases of COVID-19 cases, racial breakdowns, and more. Here is an example graph from the tab. All of these data use a 5-day average model, which means that each data point uses data from 2 days before, today, and 2 days in the future, which means that this uses a predictive model. This minimizes any confusing effects on the data counts of things like changes in the ways that cases have been reported. Analyzing this graph, you can see that a so-called flattened curve that we have been hearing so much about is one where a previous upward trend in the number of new cases each day has either flattened or started downward. A third helpful resource is the New York Times, which has a feature called the Map and Case Count. This shows data from the United States, UK, and Italy and is updated several times a day. It also shows case counts and deaths from each county in the United States and different states as well. An interesting feature of this map is that it shows the weekly doubling rate in number of cases, meaning how frequently the number of cases doubled over the past week. Areas where the number of cases double very frequently are a brighter orange, and where they are doubling less frequently are a more dull color. For example, a recent outbreak in a prison in Wayne County, North Carolina, caused the doubling rates to increase drastically over the past few days, just in the past week. Just like the Johns Hopkins maps, a state that is succeeding in flattening its curve will show a decline in the total number of new cases occurring each day. To learn more, visit publichealthcoalition.org.